So the next thing that I have not even talked about over the past few weeks is that the registrar's office is down. Many of us know this by now. When I was on my way to Jamaica, or when I landed in Jamaica, the next day, my friend told me that there were bomb threats on several government offices, as well as there were attempted hacking and possible hacking on a few offices. Even Digicel was vandalized when I arrived in Jamaica. I think it was the 29th, and on the week following, I was in the country and I had no signal the entire day. I was livid, only to find out that there was a vandalization of Digicel fiber optic cables, but also there was an attempted hack on the passport office and an attempted hack on the registrar's office. Now this has been maybe a month since the registrar was attempted hacked, I don't know, but they're not accepting any online applications. So this is a problem because I help my clients get their documents. So at the moment, you can apply in person. So since I have agents in Jamaica on the ground, if you need to have a birth certificate applied for and you don't have any other alternative, we can do that for you. Our agents in Jamaica can make the application for you in person, and the agent will ship it back to you. All right, so this is just a quick PSA letting you know that if you need to get, well, not just birth certificate, marriage cert, marriage cert, birth cert, adoption, any of these documents, death certificate, even if it's there, we can apply for it for you in person and have it shipped to you. It's going to cost you a little spenny because the person has to go either to the Spanish Town office or the downtown Kingston office, or depending on what parish they're in. It could be same day in Kingston, it could be same day in St. Catherine, which is the head office. I don't know if they do same day in Kingston. We'll find out. But yeah, I really need them to come back up though, because I have to send a birth certificate to Vietnam right now, and I have a bunch of people who have family who were Jamaican citizens born like in the 50s, 30s. One of them was born in 1930s, and we need to get the birth record. That can't just be, somebody can't just walk in and just apply for that. We need the birth code first before we can actually apply for it. So, hey, where's my QR code necklace? Oh, whew, I thought it burst. All right, that's my WhatsApp QR code. I'm in another video about it. I'll talk about it another time. But yeah, if you need us to assist you with that, we can have some boots on the ground. Take care of that for you. All right, I am Gail of 876 Document, chilling like a villain. Bye.